Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my updated wash and go routine and also how my hair looks throughout the week with this combo. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right into the video. So I am starting out with freshly washed and conditioned hair. So I'm just going to split this half into two sections. And then I'm taking a smaller section out of the back part and I'm just going to wet that. And then I'm applying a very generous amount of the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And then I use my comb to detangle and I apply more leave-in conditioner after that. The next product I use is the As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm also very generous with this product too. And I just like to rake and smooth that into my hair. And then I go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I like to smooth that in my hair. And then I literally just repeat those steps throughout my whole entire head of hair. It usually takes me about probably an hour, 45 minutes to an hour to do all of my hair. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch this. It's gonna be sped up.
Can you be the person I miss? Hear your voice all day. I never leave again. When I come home again, you'll be the person I miss. Hear your voice all day. I never leave again. Why don't you see the stars? Why don't you see who we are? Why don't you see the stars? Why don't you see who we are?
So here's a close-up of what my hair looks like when I'm all done. So getting into day one of my wash and go. Since I washed my hair the night before this, I just like to put my bonnet on, and that's it, and then go to sleep. And then when I get up the next morning, I'll take my bonnet off, and then I just blow dry it on medium heat and low air. Usually on the first day my hair isn't very stretched out, so this is just what it looks like after I finish blow drying it. It's very bouncy and defined. And then here is day 2. I usually sleep with my hair in 5 sections and I look kind of crazy, and then I'll put a bonnet on top of my head. And then when I wake up, I'll just blow dry it, low heat again, and stretch it out a little bit more. And so yeah, this is literally what I do every day to my hair. So for the rest of this video, you'll just see how my hair looks throughout the week. It'll get a little bit more frizzy and it'll have more volume. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.
I never leave again when I come